Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome to this channel. I've just received this backpack from GASTON LUGA and I'm going to open it up together with you guys and to let you see what I have chosen from their website. So of course, if you stay on with me throughout this video, you'll see a 15% discount code that I'll be sharing with you shortly. So without further ado, let us open this box and then we shall see. There it is. Okay, I'm going to hold this camera a bit different because this big package. Oh, okay, so I got the black dust bag and inside is the backpack that I chose from their website. They have a lot of backpacks and or bags from their website, and I think they have really good design. I've chosen one that I have. Okay, I love backpacks, but normally I'll be very safe. I'll choose a black color one because you know, I don't want it to get dirty so easily. But then this time round I wanted to be a bit special. I have chosen one that is in olive and black color, and this is something that I have never had before for a backpack. So let me remove away this this box. Yeah, by the way, if you are purchasing the backpack right now, you'll also get this free, this card holder. I believe it's a card holder. It's a very well designed card holder. Let me show you. So you'll get it free when you purchase the backpack right now. And yes, this is the backpack I've been waiting for, and this is the first time I'll be using this GASTON LUGA backpack. I don't even know how to pronounce the name of the company, but anyway. So first thing first, this is quite a big backpack and there's no buckle. There's a two buckle just to open out like this. Two buckle, a simple one. Okay, I remove everything first. On the back, it has the strap. And then of course I have to remove this. These are blocking me, so let me remove them. So on the bottom you can see that there's it's fitted with a 4 stopper for you to to put on the ground, which is something nice. Then over here there's a strap, so let me open it up. Where's my pen? I hope I can open it nicely. So obviously I can't. So I'll be destroying it. So there you have it. A backpack, an olive backpack, and a very nice brand plate over here, GASTON LUGA, if I pronounce it correctly. Okay, so for this backpack, right, it is something that I usually will not buy because, okay, normally I'm a very I would like everything to be zipped up properly, but this time round, because I wanted to be a bit special, I chose one that is easy access. You know, you just can pull the string and then that's it, and it's easy to open up also. So in that case, if you need something, or if you are somebody that always need to open up your bag, this is a good choice for you. And inside I hope you can see what's inside. You can see that there's a pocket for your laptop. Okay, so it's not like a real laptop pocket. It's just a divider. So if you are having a laptop, I suggest that you have your own sleeve to put inside, just in case you damage your laptop. And there's two little pockets over here. Maybe I zoom in. There's two little pockets over here. Very small one. I think it's more for putting on your pants and something like that. Yeah, there's a branding over here also. Okay, build wise, I think it's very good design. Very good build. Build wise is very good build. And just now, if you have seen how I close the back, okay, if let's say your bag is very full, you can actually use these slots, the upper slots. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for you to use to back up your backpack. So on the back itself, over here, okay, this is not for your wallet. Okay, this is actually for your passport. If you have a passport, it's good that you can store it near your body and away from other people, so your passport is safe. But unfortunately, due to this pandemic, nobody can travel at this moment. And for your info, these are not leather, these are just PU leather. It looks like leather, but they are not. And okay, the strap itself, okay, I'm quite surprised that, because when I look at the picture, it doesn't show that it is padded, but right now it feels well padded. Yeah, it feels padded. And these are very old school straps. You can see that it's using very old school way to secure the straps. So once your length is adjusted, I think you won't want to change it, right? So this is also good. So overall, build wise, I like it. Okay, one thing I have to be very clear to you is this is very flimsy. You can see that. Okay, without anything, this is very flimsy. Of course, it has the divider acts as a backbone for it to stand, and also this force stopper over here is helping it. The base is helping it to stand it up. But I guess the more you put things inside, the better it is for it to stand. Okay, let me close it up. So there it is, the Gaston Luga backpack. And yeah, before I leave, there's a coupon code over here that you might want to use it for a 15% discount. So thank you very much for your attention, and that is it for today. Goodbye.